I sometimes think I'd rather crow and be a rooster than to roost and be a crow. But I don't know. A rooster, he can roost also, which don't seem fair when crows can't crow, which may help some. Still, I don't know. Crows should be glad of one thing, though. Nobody thinks of eating crow, while roosters, they are good enough for anyone, unless they're tough. There are lots of tough old roosters, though, and anyway, a crow can't crow. So maybe roosters stand more show. It looks that way. But I don't know.